Look out, Sophie. I'm filming. Well, it's been a while, folks. Now, I just got back from my very first real vacation. Up until 3 weeks ago, I'd never had one, and it was the most wonderful experience. I got to see an old love, stayed with her and her fella for a few days, and then I went off to another place and visited with some family. It was wonderful. I'm definitely going to be doing more of that. So, my first true love is a collector of roosters. She's got Rooster just about everything. So, Bernie, I'm going to make you silver rooster, my love. So, hang on. We'll get some petrol, pound it in the sleeve, press that puppy in there, and let's make a wonderful rooster. Okay, well, my plans of using my little 20 set rings didn't work. So, we go up one size. We'll get that one all filled up nice. One thing about it, I sure did miss coming down here every other day, or well, sometimes every day, and making things for people. Hang on, I'm going to shake you up a little bit here. There we go. Hope I didn't make you seasick. There we go. Yes, let's see now. The trip home took 9 hours at pretty much about 60 miles an hour. For us, it's 100, 110. But, you know, it's a big country I live in. Considering you can put 3 of the British Isles, European, all into just our province. It's huge. And that's only halfway up, because I live in the right smack dab in the center of British Columbia. It's the physical center. And look at this, all powdered up real nice. Yeah, she had these door pulls, they're drawer pulls. So I was wondering how I was gonna do it closed, but I think a nice open pour will be just right. All right, now let's get this in there. Okay, I haven't done a push in a very, very long time. Oh my. By Jove, I think we've got it. I think I'm going to like to see that down a little bit farther though. I think I'd like to see that in there a bit farther. There's some quiet in the shop today. Everybody's out on the road, falling trees and building log homes. We even have a crew that is in Saskatchewan right now. Okay. I don't know, I just got a gut feeling that this is going to be a bit of an effort to get this to bore right. If this doesn't work, I have another idea, but in fact, I think I'm going to do it. I am going to just get this in there. Take the other side and pack it flat. Well, I've never tried that, so. All right now. So what I did is I packed this back one, scraped it off flat, and then mapped out where the vents should be and our sprue. So I'm going to give this a try, if nothing else, just for fun. But I think it's going to work. Time will tell. See you at the other bench. Well, good morning. I normally don't show these, but you know, all's fair. Yeah, okay. Let's find the master. All right. What happened? Apparently, I missed a couple of vents when I laid this thing out yesterday. So, I can't very well send it to Brenda looking like this. So, just like any other failure, it was gonna meet my bolt cutters. We have some nice 4-inch bars here with a whole bunch of dimples in it. Actually, 2 of them. Too much stuff in the, not enough flux. This one actually turned out almost completely usable, but it's 4 9s. And 4 9s does that. So for Mr. D Grand Prix, I'm going to make this a little thicker and I'm going to pour it in sterling. Then I think it'll actually be a usable tool. What do we got? Well, we got sprues. And we got a messed up maple. A project I've been working on, but they're not really turning out all that great. Gotta work on it some more. And there's all the signs of the zodiac. And we got some extra stuff. Little tiny tigers. This one's missing an ear. This one's missing 2 ears. More stuff. And so on and so forth. So, yeah. I do have my share of failures. So, there's where these things come in. We just start chopping and chopping and chopping. And so on. And so forth. It's, sorry about that. Yeah, it's too bad I don't have any sterling to cut up where I could show you just how much extra effort it takes to cut that stuff up. I just can't believe how hard it is. And each file's just like steel, hard steel. Never seen anything like it. So here we go. Now I'm gonna take this, flex it all up real good, clean it a couple times, and it will go into here. And it will go into making sterling. I have really no way of accurately testing. I can do a specific gravity and take a guess, but it's not fair to anyone what the guess is. I do have bigger bolt cutters yet, but this works. And that is that. So, I shall return. Got a couple new ideas on setting that thing up, and we'll carry on. So we'll be back all in good time.